Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys this quick tip. I've been needing a thin parting tool for a long time, and I've been thinking about making one out of like an old kitchen knife or a saw blade or something. And I was looking around the shop and I noticed that I have this T-bevel. And basically it's just for finding angles or marking angles or whatever. I've had this thing for years, never use it. It's just been hanging on my wall collecting dust. And I looked at it and I thought, you know, that's about the angle of a parting tool. So what I did is I took this and then I ground another bevel on the bottom here. And I see a lot of parting tools that are like that. And I think for me it works because it kind of acts as a bevel when I'm parting, so it's not so grabby. So I just ground a little angle there. I didn't even mark it or anything. I just eyeballed it, and then I just touch it up with this this stone that I have. You know, I just run it back and forth on there, and it's probably about a 1/16 of an inch thick. You can see how thick it is there, which is perfect for what I need. So basically all I do is I just slide it back as far as it'll go, tighten this wing nut, and there I go. I got a parting tool. I suppose you could add, you know, a screw or something back here if you wanted, but I haven't found it to be a problem with it moving if you tighten this wing nut down. You could even use a pair of pliers and snug it a little more. So anyway, I just wanted to share this. If any of you guys need a narrow parting tool, you know, Harbor Freight has these for like less than $4, or you can go anywhere and pick one up probably for under $10. And in a few minutes of grinding, you got yourself a parting tool. So anyway, I'll show it to you one more time. So there you go. Thanks for watching.